Thanks for stopping by today. Today we're going to talk about a loan program that's called Own a Home. Now this program features a 3, 4, or 5% forgivable grant for Florida residents using either FHA, USDA, or VA loans. Unfortunately, this particular program is restricted to certain counties in the state of Florida. The first county is Volusia, then Charlotte, Sarasota, Lee, DeSoto, St. Johns, Broward, Palm Beach, and Collier counties. Now, before we get into the nuts and bolts of the program, let me tell you who we are and what we do.
My name's Roger Lazzarino, and I'm a licensed mortgage loan officer and managing real estate broker for Mid-Florida Realty. My NMLS lending license number is 1123746. Our mission is to provide Mid-Florida Realty customers with the very best mortgage loan programs that suit their individual financial and credit profile. We're an unusual real estate company because so many of our realtors are either currently licensed mortgage loan officers or were so at one time or another. Many times we can do this by using some type of down payment assistance program, whether it's for first-time home buyers or using creative lending techniques. We specialize in helping Florida first-time home buyers with down payment assistance, as well as non-first-time home buyers achieve home ownership, whether we use down payment assistance programs or just old-fashioned creative lending techniques. We'll do everything that we can possibly do to get you the house that you really want that fits your budget. We work with some of the largest down payment assistance providers in the state of Florida. When we started the company back in 2014, we only had 2 or 3 different down payment assistance programs. Now we have over 20 different DPA programs that help first-time home buyers or people that have already owned a house. The real estate division of Florida Down Payment Assistance is Mid-Florida Realty. And to avoid any potential legal or ethical misunderstandings, we will not originate other realtors' customers' loans, advise any other realtors, loan officers, or their customers in any form of communications. We want to protect Florida first-time home buyers from getting misinformation from third-party realtors or mortgage people that don't deal with these programs on a day-to-day basis. With that being said, now let's talk about the loans. Now, one of the neat features of this program is you don't have to be a first-time home buyer to use this grant. The minimum middle score for this program is 640, and of course for all mortgage loans, the higher your minimum middle score is, the more likely your loan will be approved. On this program, the buyer/borrower has the option to receive either a 3, 4, or 5% forgivable grant, depending on what automated underwriting will approve. The reason why I'm qualifying that statement a little bit is because the higher the grant, the higher the interest rate. Now, there's not a big difference in the interest rates between a 3 and a 5% grant, but there is a little bit of a difference. And again, because it's illegal for me to talk about interest rates specifically, I can't give you an example, but it is minimal. And if you need the 5% to help cover closing costs, it's a fantastic deal for the borrower anyway. Now, these grants work like this. The total grant is forgiven at a rate of 20% per year on the anniversary of the loan closing. Consequently, if you only stay in the house for 3 years, let's say, you're still going to owe 40% of what that grant was. But if you stay in the house for the whole 5 years, then the entire grant is forgiven and all you're left with is paying the first mortgage like normal. And of course, this grant is a silent second, so it's not like you're making monthly payments on that grant anyway. You never make a payment on that grant. This is a super program for people that want to live in those counties. Now we'll go to the next slide. Now, another great feature about this program is higher borrower income levels are allowed for this FHA/USDA/VA program than many other agency-based down payment assistance programs. Another nice feature of this program is that if the county allows you to use a mortgage credit certificate, you can use one. Now, a mortgage credit certificate helps the buyer in a lot of different ways. One is it would add $166 to the borrower's usable and qualifiable income. Second thing is you would get a $2,000 federal tax credit on your taxes, and that goes on for quite a while. Co-signers and non-occupying co-borrowers are permitted per agency guidelines on this program. So if you do need a co-signer or obviously a co-borrower,
you could use one. Now, cash back to the borrower is not permitted. However, borrowers are permitted a reimbursement of prepaids and a reimbursement of overage of earnest money deposit to the extent any minimum contribution has been satisfied and permitted by agency guidelines. Manufactured housing, mobile homes, recreational vehicles, seasonal or other types of vacation or non-permanent homes are not permitted with this program. If you have any question about this or any other programs and are not currently working with another realtor, please check the next slide and give us a call or send us an email. We'll be glad to answer the question. Thank you for attending one of our YouTube seminars. All of our seminars are on our websites below. Please subscribe to our channel and you'll see and hear about a lot of different programs. All of us at Mid-Florida Realty feel that by educating our buyers/borrowers, we'll have a much smoother and a much more successful home buying process. If you have any questions about this or any other first-time home buyer or down payment assistance program, and you haven't made a commitment to a realtor, please call our office and we'll get you in touch with one of our local Mid-Florida agents who really are down payment assistance experts. Now, if you want to hear a little bit about our disclosures, you can wait for the next slide. Thanks again for attending, and hopefully we'll be speaking with you soon. Please understand that all mortgage loan products change from time to time or can even be canceled without notice by the sponsors. We're not always told about changes in the loan products that we discuss in our broadcasts. However, we present the current facts at the time these videos are developed. We suggest that you obtain current loan information directly from one of our loan officers or agents to determine if a loan product in its future current form aligns with your needs. Thank you again for attending one of our seminars. Take care and good luck.